Welcome to TWIN BUSCH Germany, your competent specialist since 1997 in professional vehicle workshop equipment. With a corporate headquarters in Germany and 9 other branches in 7 countries, as well as over 40 sales partners worldwide, we are one of the leading manufacturers of vehicle lifts, wheel balancers, and tire changers. Hello, we will now show you the professional scissor lift S3-19 from TWIN BUSCH. The S3-19 has a lifting capacity of up to 3 tons. The reception platform can be extended with the adjustable access ramps. The swivel joints of the S3-19 have sintered bronze bushings and grease nipples for a long service life and optimal maintenance. The rocker arm system and the double cylinders guarantee powerful lifting. Let's have a look at the lift in action. The lift is suited for sports cars due to its extremely flat construction of only 11 centimeters. We will use the optionally available 20mm rubber blocks. The delivery of the S3-19 includes 40mm rubber blocks. The rocker arm system ensures efficient lifting. After stopping, the lift is locked automatically to protect it from accidental lowering. All important joints can be lubricated directly from the outside using grease nipples. The S3-19 from TWIN BUSCH can lift a wide variety of vehicles. The lift is particularly suitable for body work, as the vehicle is accessible from all sides. The reception platform is extended by half a meter when the access platforms are raised. Simply lift the ramps and put the rubber blocks on them. Extremely low sports and race cars can also be lifted with the optionally available drive-on ramps. The ramps are placed behind and in front of the lift and can be anchored to the floor if required. The ramps are available as a set of 4. With the ramps, the drive-through height of the S3-19 is reduced from 11 to 5.5 centimeters. There are also reception extensions and crossbeams for special vehicles. The reception extensions TWS3V allow the lifting of vehicles with particularly distant reception points. On the other hand, the crossbeams TWS3Q make it possible to lift vehicles with ladder frames such as off-road vehicles or pre-war vintage cars. Take advantage of our all-in-one service. We offer a nationwide delivery, assembly and spare parts service in most countries.